uuwi lahat kami, magkikita-kita na lang tayo sa parade na. Kasi we have to be at the parade.
Ay, hindi, kinakarol.
Okay. Dalawang oras.
But we have to pick up Cecil and Alex. Saka, no, not yet. Natulog pa ako. 1:30 we arrived in 6.
What's so amazing? Pilipino?
Oh, of course! How are you?